Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Blender Whisk is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen gadgets you can own, transforming your cooking and baking experience with its unparalleled ability to effortlessly blend, mix, and aerate ingredients, saving you precious time and energy while ensuring consistently perfect results every single time, making it an indispensable tool for any home chef looking to elevate their culinary creations. Number 5. Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Z1. Tired of bland coffee? Get that perfect cafe-style froth for your favorite drinks in just seconds. Elevate your home coffee experience effortlessly. Create delicious lattes, cappuccinos, and more right in your kitchen. You know your taste best, so craft your perfect beverage exactly how you like it. It's not just for coffee. Effortlessly mix matcha tea, protein shakes, and smoothies without any extra mess. Cleaning is a breeze, too. Crafted with premium, rust-proof materials, this frother is designed for durability. It works wonders on all types of milk, dairy or non-dairy. With its convenient stand, it's always ready when you are. A quick rinse is all it takes to clean. Its compact design stores easily in any drawer. We stand by our product with a lifetime guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you have a reliable tool that's built to last. What we like? This frother delivers rich, creamy froth in seconds, perfect for elevating your daily coffee. It's incredibly versatile, working with all types of milk, dairy, or non-dairy. If you're looking for a reliable tool backed by a lifetime guarantee to make barista-quality drinks at home, this is the one for you. What people say. The whisk attachment is a game-changer for making whipped cream and egg whites. It's surprisingly powerful for its size, easily blending through tough ingredients. The compact design makes it easy to store and clean. Number 4. Bean Envy Handheld Milk Frother. Experience rich, creamy foam for your favorite beverages in just seconds. Its powerful motor effortlessly whips dairy and plant-based milks into silky smooth perfection, hot or cold. This versatile tool is perfect for more than just coffee. It effortlessly blends protein powder without clumps, creates smooth matcha lattes, and stirs hot chocolate to perfection. Enjoy ultimate convenience with its one-button, cord-free operation. Simply press and hold to start, and release to stop. It runs on batteries, making it perfect for use anywhere. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic handle provides a non-slip grip for easy handling. The included stand keeps it upright and ready for your next use, saving valuable counter space. Cleanup is a breeze. Just dip the whisk in warm water, run it briefly, and wipe the handle. It's ready to go again before your drink even cools. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This handheld frother is ideal for anyone who loves coffee, tea, or smoothies. It's the perfect way to elevate their daily drink ritual. What we like? With a powerful 19,000 revolutions per minute motor, this frother creates luxurious foam for hot or cold drinks in mere seconds. Its one-button, cord-free operation makes it incredibly easy to use, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfort. If you value ease of use and a powerful performance for your morning routine, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The whisk attachment is very effective for whipping cream and egg whites. The blender has multiple speed settings, allowing for precise control. It's easy to clean, with detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. Number 3. Powerful Mini Handheld Milk Frother. Introducing our powerful mini milk frother. Its stand-less design means you can create delicious frothy drinks anywhere, anytime, without any extra clutter. This handheld frother may be simple, but it's incredibly efficient. It quickly whips up perfect froth for your coffee, latte, cappuccino, or matcha. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, this whisk is built to last and easy to clean. Enjoy durable performance without the need for a stand. Looking for a gift for someone who loves coffee and minimalist design? This stand-free frother is the ideal present for their streamlined kitchen. Its compact design makes it easy to store in any drawer or cabinet. This makes it a practical and convenient choice for any kitchen setup. What we like? This handheld frother is designed for ultimate portability, eliminating the need for a bulky stand. It efficiently whips up frothy milk for all your favorite coffee drinks and is crafted from durable stainless steel for easy cleaning. If you appreciate minimalist design and the freedom to froth anywhere without extra clutter, this compact option is ideal. What people say. The Blender Whisk is very easy to use and clean. It has a powerful motor that can handle tough ingredients. The whisk attachment is great for making whipped cream and other desserts. Number 2. Turbo Coffee and Milk Frother Handheld with Stand, Black. Immerse yourself in the perfect froth. Our high-speed motor crafts luxurious foam in just 15 to 20 seconds, transforming your ordinary coffee time into a moment of pure joy. No more coffee shop queues. Create cafe-quality lattes, cappuccinos, and more right in your own kitchen. It works with all your favorite milk types and creamers. Designed with an ergonomic soft-touch grip, this is the perfect handheld tool for your drink crafting journey. Use it for cocktails, protein mixers, and more. Cleanup and storage become a chic part of your routine with the provided stand. Just rinse, wipe dry, and store upright. Life can be unpredictable, but our 2-year warranty isn't. Should you have concerns, we're here to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This frother boasts a high-speed motor that crafts luxurious foam in just 15 to 20 seconds, transforming your coffee time. It comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind and features an ergonomic soft-touch grip for comfort. If you want to be your own barista and create cafe-quality drinks at home with a tool that's comfortable to hold and backed by a solid warranty, consider this option. What people say. The Blender Whisk is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, from blending smoothies to whipping cream. It features a powerful motor that can handle even tough ingredients, and its compact design makes it easy to store. Number 1. Zulay Kitchen Mini and Mighty Milk Frother Wand. Experience silky smooth foam in seconds for all your favorite drinks. This compact frother is perfect for use at home, in the office, or even while traveling. Its high-speed motor with a unique spiral whisk creates consistent microfoam. It's also great for quickly mixing in creamers, collagen, or protein powders. No need to wait for charging. Simply insert 2 AA batteries and you're ready to froth anytime, anywhere. Grab it and go. Cleaning is a breeze with its detachable whisk that rinses easily underwater. The handle can be wiped clean, and the whisk is heat-resistant and rust-proof. Weighing only 28 grams and just 18.4 centimeters long, it fits effortlessly into any bag or drawer. It makes a perfect, affordable gift for any coffee lover. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. If you encounter any issues, simply contact us and we'll ensure it's resolved. What we like. This frother is incredibly mini and mighty, fitting easily into your pocket for frothing on the go. Its powerful 19,500 revolutions per minute motor with a unique whisk design creates smooth microfoam quickly. If you need a portable solution for frothing drinks at home, the office, or while traveling, and appreciate the convenience of a detachable whisk for easy cleaning, this compact frother is perfect for you. What people say. The Blender Whisk is incredibly powerful, easily crushing ice and frozen fruits for smooth smoothies. Its compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens or for travel, and it's surprisingly quiet during operation. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility, allowing for precise control whether you're making a delicate sauce or a thick milkshake. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.